Welcome to our YouTube channel where we provide valuable information on healthy living. Today, we will be discussing how rice can be part of a healthy diabetic diet. Rice is a staple food for many cultures, but it has received a bad reputation among diabetics. We are here to debunk the myth and show you how you can incorporate rice into your healthy diabetic diet. Section 1. Understanding diabetes and rice. First, let's understand what diabetes is. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder that affects the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. When you have diabetes, your body cannot produce enough insulin or use it effectively. This leads to high blood sugar levels that can cause several health complications. Now, let's talk about rice. Rice is a high carbohydrate food that can increase blood sugar levels. However, not all types of rice are created equal. Some types of rice have a lower glycemic index than others, meaning they are absorbed slower and do not cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. Brown rice, for example, has a lower glycemic index than white rice. Section 2. How to incorporate rice into your diabetic diet. Now that we know that rice can be part of a healthy diabetic diet, let's discuss how to incorporate it. The key is to choose the right type of rice and control your portion sizes. Choose brown rice over white rice. Control your portion sizes by using measuring cups. Pair rice with protein and fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables and lean meat. Section 3. Delicious diabetic-friendly rice recipes. Finally, let's explore some delicious diabetic-friendly rice recipes that you can try at home. Brown rice and vegetable stir-fry. Quinoa and brown rice salad with chicken. Shrimp and brown rice bowl. In conclusion, rice can be part of a healthy diabetic diet if you choose the right type of rice and control your portion sizes. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information on how to incorporate rice into your diabetic diet. Remember, a healthy diabetic diet is all about balance and moderation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips.